Welcome back, guys. Well, today we are back on the beautiful disaster. So as you guys can see, there she is. Haven't really done much since we went ahead and got that transmission and stuff ready to go, but as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this radiator in there today. And kind of have a faint idea, but basically you see it's pretty tight in here. Back there, pretty close to the firewall with the distributor cap already, so I don't want to move that engine back anymore. So what I have to do, we're gonna have to cut out some of the core supports so we can move the radiator that way. As you guys see, I already started cutting down in here a little bit. You get that finished cut out. Top's already cut out. So that's what we're doing today. And we're gonna get this radiator in here, so see how well this thing cools. Get her fired up, maybe. We'll see how it goes. But get you cutting on that.
Don't know the time, I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive, I think you know. We're getting down, we're getting low. Low. We're getting down, we're getting low. Don't know the time, I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive.
driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta.
Alright guys, welcome back. So, got those lower brackets done. I'm grabbing my hair. Got lower brackets done, but I'll let you guys see where we're at. You can see radiator's in. At least the lower's done. Check that out. It's gonna be a real tight fit. About half an inch clearance, but I'll take it. Besides, this engine was never supposed to be in this bay anyways. It's way too big. But as you guys can see, lower done. So now I got to start working on the upper mounts, and I got one done already. So I'll let you guys see that. See how that thing is, and see, you know, you just go down in here something like this. Right this side, yep. And of course, gonna put some more rubber down underneath it, but it'll just come down and I put a little bolt in there, hold it in place, and that's just gonna keep that radiator from going back and forth. Yeah, it's close though. I mean, that's it. So that's where we're at. But I gotta modify the other one because they're just universal brackets. So this thing welded up in here, get it cut off, take the whole section out, re-weld it together, and I'll be back when we get that done. Welcome back guys, it's the next day, and I'll be back on the beautiful disaster again. So just finishing up this radiator mounts and everything, since, you know, and finished the other day. But as you can see, you know, got her in, got her going, things good. Got the transmission cooler in. So we got the brackets done, but now we got to cut some more of that rubber mud flap to put in there. So if you guys see, I mean, they're done. I ain't the prettiest things, but they'll hold. And we did get them painted up, so they don't look too bad, you know. So anyways, we'll go ahead and get some of this done, and you know, you guys just follow along. That's it. Great. In full. Sorry about that guys, the battery died on me. Didn't even realize it, but you guys didn't miss much. Anyways, just cutting up a mud flap, no big deal. So the best thing, it's pretty tough for a dump truck or semi going on the road. I think they're going to be fine for you know, keeping that aluminum radiator from rubbing against that steel bracket. But anyways, here you guys go. We're gonna do the other one. You can see the other one, probably not that interesting, you know, but whatever. I mean, it is what it is. So no big deal. I don't know, before somebody else says you gotta cut your finger. It's fine. No. Wow, that thing don't want to cut. What about? Haha, didn't do it. So, there. did. Oh, that was a terrible mistake. Hey, we messed up on that one, didn't we? Oh well. That'd be pretty good right there. Now, the rest of this epoxy down. Yep. That's it, so we can toss that with the other one. That'll work. Out of the way. didn't like itself at all, now did it? Yeah, I say that it's going to be a no now. Well, yep. I don't think that works. We're gonna have to redo that. Make a new one. Alrighty, guys. So, this is it. Radiator's in. Here looks looks ridiculous, but whatever. As you guys can see. I'll show you in a minute. It's dark. I don't see much, but got that thing in. So, just check her out for what you can see. It's in. Yeah, I'll work on this bracket a little bit, but she is in. See if we can give you guys a little bit of light. Sorry, give me a sec. There we go. I see she's in. Looks nice. And of course, front. Get that grill back in there. But for now, that's it. Well, I'm one step closer. So anyways, you guys can see, for now, beautiful disaster. That's it for this week. Got that radiator in, both hoses hooked up. So next weekend, well, next time you guys see her, hopefully we'll be putting in that that transmission and transfer case laying back there, and hopefully we'll have it fired up and running, and you guys can see. I mean, it's been sitting for a little while, so who knows. But till next week, later, heathens.